Gusto nila na may impeachment para masunod yung gusto nila. Isa lang ang masasabi ko, mahirap talaga intindihin ang kilos kung bakit may mga taong nakukulong ngayon. Kasi siyempre sila yung nasa kapangyarihan. Kung sino yung hindi sumunod sa kanila o ayaw sumunod sa kanila, paparusahan talaga nila yan. Para hindi humaba yung usapan. It's because they're in power and those that oppose them, they will do everything using the bureaucracy or anything and the law against people, those who oppose them. So wala tayong magagawa dyan. Meron ka talagang abusado na administrasyon.
On a different topic, doon sa currently nangyayaring day 3 na po ng impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte, your sister, do you have any thoughts or reaction in as far as the trial is going at the moment?
Ako hindi ako nanonood. Kasi nung simula pa lang, when did this impeachment campaign begin? It was 3 years ago. Even nung simula pa lang ng termino ni Marcos yan, nung nagkalapuan na, andyan na yung usapang impeachment against the Vice President for what? The confidential funds. And ngayon dinadagdagan nila na kung ano-ano na lang pwedeng idagdag, di ba? Gusto nila na may impeachment para masunod yung gusto nila. It's not about really Vice President defending herself, but it's about putting her sa lugar kung saan nila gusto na nandyan siya. Kasi kaya nga nila ini-insist yung impeachment na yan kasi they want to remain in power. Gusto nila sila. That's all that I can say. Pag pumayag yung mga tao, wala na kami magawa ng gobyerno.